Happy Monday P2 students. Today is the 20th of July 2020. So for today's objective or learning target is that I can unscramble the words from the previous lesson about the vocabulary cards. So last Wednesday and Thursday, teacher was talking about vocabulary pictures. There you can see pictures of things that we used in our unit, right? So the things we have learned, studied before. So for today's assignment, you are going to unscramble the words. So these words are scrambled. It means like if you arrange them accordingly, it will give you the right word, right? For example, this one, AINNSEECLRITCIYT. If you arrange it like M, M, and then M, A, I, N, N, S, S. So this word gives us the word mains, right? And then this one is electricity, means electricity. So let's say solve this one. E, E, L, E, E, C, C, T, T, R, R, I, C, 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 I, T, T, Y, Y. So this one, we already have this before, so there's not really no need for me to explain this. So there are only 10 words. So while looking at this, you can pause the video and write it on your notebook. So later you can take a picture of your answer. There's no need for you to copy this. So you just pause the video and then look at this and write your answer. If you don't like writing it on your notebook, you can type it directly to the questions on the Google form or on the Google Classroom, right? But it would be better if you write it in your notebook. Then, if you don't like to take a picture and send it, then you can just like look at your notebook and type it on this Google Classroom. Okay. So there are 10 questions. All of the words can be found on our discussion last Thursday and last Wednesday. All right. Thank you so much. Have a nice day and enjoy your Monday. Goodbye.